During your next visit to Lakeland, make time to stop and look at the sculptures that line Lemon Street. Each year, the City of Lakeland oversees the installation of 10 pieces of art covering 3 blocks.
The Lemon Street Promenade revitalization was part of the master plan of revitalizing downtown, and adding the sculptures to this 3-block area really just increases the opportunities that are given for Lakelanders and visitors alike to come and appreciate our park spaces and our green spaces. Art provides an opportunity for conversation, and that's all a part of what we're trying to do in downtown Lakeland. We accept submissions for the Florida Outdoor Sculpture Competition from artists all over the country via our online application process. So each year, members of the arts community come together with representatives from the City of Lakeland and the Polk Museum of Art to choose 10 pieces from all the submissions that we receive. This year's pieces come from all over the country. We have some from northern New York, we have Connecticut, Massachusetts, but most importantly, we also have 3 local Floridian sculptors, one from St. Pete, another from Inverness, and then also Palm Beach Gardens. So each year we fall in love with all our pieces, but we can't keep them all. But we are able to, from time to time, find budget space to be able to purchase some. So what we do is you can go find some at Hollis Garden. There's also some around Lake Mirror. And the tightrope walker in Munn Park is actually originally a piece that was found on the Lemon Street Promenade.
While you're downtown, you can also visit Hollis Garden and Polk Museum of Art. For more information, go to visitcentralflorida.org.